and it's gonna be delicious soup. The snail, these are all the snail. These are the crayfish, onions, garlic, and chili, pepper, pounded yam. Oh my god, this is so good. I'm just saying. Wow. Hello everyone, welcome to Joy Cooking Show. Today we have this great recipe called okra seafood. I'm gonna be making this fresh okra with fish, and also we have this snail. I'll be having snail, and I have octopus, and we also have dried Henry fish, and we have a crayfish, and also have ginger and garlic and onions with chili pepper. Also we have mushrooms. So today is a great recipe we are making. Please subscribe to this channel. If you are new on my channel, you are very welcome, and all my subscribers, thank you all. So watch out and see how I am going to transform these old things to food, and it's going to be delicious soup. Thank you all. So this is the fish. Right away we just do the fish, and we had the snail. These are all the snail. Had all the snail, and now we will put the pepper mix. So these are the crayfish, onions, garlic, and chili pepper with so this is it. Right away we just have to mix everything together and let it boil for at least some few minutes before we will add the octopus, because the octopus will cook so fast. So that's why we don't add it to it. We have to let this one cook for at least 15 minutes. Then we will add octopus. That one will cook for just 5 minutes. To add the salt. So these are salt. Add a little bit, and we're gonna be adding some chicken base. This is it. Let it cook. So, wow, it's cooking so well. So right now I'm just gonna add the octopus. So right now it's time to add the octopus. These are the octopus. Just gonna add them. You can see how, let me use them to bring it up. See how big it is. This is octopus. It's very good fish. So we just let it simmer for another 5 minutes, and we'll take it off, and we'll start with the okra. So it's ready. Wow. These are the octopus. It's all ready. So it's time to take them out and add the okra. Right away we're going to be taking out all the fish. Take out all the fish. You can use any fish of your choice to make this soup. It doesn't matter the fish. So right now I'm just going to take out all the octopus. Not all. Some of them, you see how it will look. This is how the octopus will look. There's some out for the snail. Some of the snail if you want. So now we have enough stock to make this okra. Take some of this stock out. You can call it broth stock, anyone. Just take some out. So it's enough. Now these are the grated okra. I slice some while I grate the rest. So right now just put everything in this stock like this. Just have to mix everything together. See? So right away, just gonna be adding, these are the mushrooms, and we're gonna be adding this I call it boga, I don't know what they call it. This is a dried fish. Just have some of it, make everything. That will change the whole of the situation of the soup. So now we just let it boil for at least some few minutes. Then I will test if there is enough seasoning, or if to adjust it with seasoning. That is when I will know. So right now let it boil for at least 2 minutes, then we'll add oil. So right now I'm just gonna check. Yes, it's cooking well, and I have to test it if there is enough. Yeah, just add a little bit of seasoning, just a little bit. That is a chicken base, and a little bit of salt, just a little. Okay, nice. So right now I'm gonna be adding oil, just a little. You know, I'm not a fan of eating too much oil, just a little bit. That will be enough for me. So you don't need too much oil in your okra, in any of your soup. You don't just need it. So that is it. If you like it, you can add as much as you want, but I don't. So now I'm just gonna be adding a little bit of spinach. This is frozen mixed spinach. Mix everything together. This spinach will change all the color, and it will give it more heartiness. And see, this is the okra. So right now I'm gonna just be adding all the remaining ingredients. Okay, now I'm just gonna be adding all the octopus and the snail. See, these are all the octopus and snail. Oh my god, this is so good. all wonderful. So right now I will be adding all the fish. Just gently add the fish because they already cooked. Just have to add it now. Oh my god, this is so good. This lamb is so oh, this is so rich. This is one of the soup we really enjoy. This soup is very good in all swallow, but the best one is gari, and you can also use it for pounded yam. Oh my god, this is so good. I just see. Wow. Just play with it. Oh my god. So octopus. Ooh. I hope you all enjoyed this cooking with me, and please, if you love what I am doing, subscribe, and God will bless you, and also share these videos for others to see. So this is it. It's cooked now. You just have to let it cook for at least another 2 minutes. Enough. It's cooked. It's vegetable, so you don't have too much weight to cook. So this is it. Thank you all, and please subscribe to my channel, and all my subscribers, thank you. So this is the soup we all cook together. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel. Bye for now, and enjoy your day with God's grace. Wow, I can't wait to eat this soup.